Hello. Everybody who has a treadmill desk and actually loves and uses it every day knows the key is being able to sit when you want and walk when you want with only 15 seconds in between. A sit-to-stand desk with its ability to rise and lower quickly and easily is what makes this whole cult movement work. But there is a problem. Up to now, to accommodate both a treadmill and a chair, you need an ultra-wide desk that won't fit in most offices. On top of that, you also need either to have two monitors or a big monitor arm that requires constant adjusting. Fortunately, there is a solution. Introducing the Dolly. It's an age-old invention going back all the way to the ancient Egyptians and an unsung hero of humanity's greatest accomplishments. In this scenario, a dolly, slightly wider and higher than your treadmill, can fit right over it and accommodate any chair. When you want to walk, you just slide it away. When you're done, you slide it back. This way, you can have a small desk, one monitor, and no need for anything to move. Unfortunately, because the dolly has been around for thousands of years, there is no way I can patent and make any money off this world-changing discovery. Believe me, I checked. Plus, in retrospect, this is all kind of obvious. But I just love walking while working at 100 calories per hour. Not just for my health or to lose a little weight, but mostly because if you have a job where you sit so much that your butt actually gets numb, a sit-to-stand desk just makes your day so much better. Thank you for tuning in. Walking while working was a game changer for me, and I'm hoping this will encourage others to join the sit-to-stand revolution.